Dear friends, welcome back to English Story World Slow English Learning Videos. In today's short and interesting video, you will improve your English vocabulary, reading, writing, spelling, and listening skills in a very simple and easy way. This video is made in slow and clear English so that you can understand every word easily. You can listen carefully or even play it during your sleeping time to improve your listening skills naturally. If you want to listen faster, you can increase the playback speed in the video settings. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Story World for more helpful English learning videos. So, are you ready? Let's begin today's lesson. Mahatma Gandhi. From an ordinary boy to the father of a nation. This is not a story of power. This is not a story of weapons. This is the story of truth, patience, and courage. A simple beginning. Mahatma Gandhi was born on the 2nd of October 1869 in a small coastal town called Porbandar in India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was a government officer. He was honest and disciplined. His mother, Putlibai, was deeply religious. She taught young Gandhi the values of truth, fasting, prayer, and self-control. Gandhi was not a brilliant student. He was shy, quiet, and afraid of speaking in public. No one imagined that this shy boy would one day change the world. Childhood lessons. As a child, Gandhi was very truthful. Once, he made a small mistake and told his father the truth instead of hiding it. His father's silent tears touched Gandhi deeply. That moment taught him a lifelong lesson. Truth has the power to change hearts. This belief stayed with him forever. Marriage at a young age. Gandhi was married at the age of 13 to Kasturba Gandhi. They were both very young and immature. Life taught them slowly. Kasturba later became his strongest supporter, sharing every hardship. Going to England. Gandhi wanted to become a lawyer. In 1888, he went to England to study law. Life there was difficult. He felt lonely. He struggled with food habits. He tried to fit into a foreign culture. But he learned discipline and independence. He returned to India as a lawyer, but success did not come easily. Failure in India. Gandhi tried practicing law in India. He failed badly. He was nervous. He could not speak confidently in court. This failure broke his confidence. So, he accepted a job offer in South Africa. That decision changed his life forever. South Africa, the turning point. In South Africa, Gandhi faced racism for the first time. One day, he was thrown out of a train despite having a valid ticket, just because he was Indian. That night, sitting alone at the railway station, Gandhi thought deeply. He decided, I will fight injustice, but without violence. This was the birth of Satyagraha, the power of truth and non-violence. Fighting injustice without violence. Gandhi spent 21 years in South Africa. He led peaceful protests. He went to jail many times. He suffered, but never used violence. Slowly, the world started noticing him. He proved that moral strength is stronger than physical force. Return to India. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India. India was under British rule. People were poor, afraid, and divided. Gandhi traveled across villages. He lived like common people. He wore simple clothes. He wanted to understand India before leading it. Leader of the masses, Gandhi led many movements. Champaran movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement. He encouraged people to boycott British goods and use curry. His message was simple. Be fearless. Be truthful. Be united. Millions followed him. Life of simplicity. Gandhi lived a very simple life. No luxury. No power hunger. No hatred. He cleaned toilets himself. He spun his own cloth. He believed leaders must serve, not rule. Jail and sacrifice. Gandhi was jailed many times. He fasted to stop violence. He fasted to unite people. His fasting was not drama. It was a moral call. People listened because they trusted him. Freedom and pain. In 1947, India became free. But freedom came with partition. Violence spread. People suffered. Gandhi was heartbroken. He walked barefoot in riot-hit areas, asking people to stop killing. Even in victory, he chose peace. The final sacrifice. On the 30th of January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. He died with the name of God on his lips. The nation cried. The world bowed. Why Gandhi is still relevant? Gandhi taught the world. Violence creates more violence. Truth has no shortcut. Change begins with self. He showed that even an ordinary person can create extraordinary change. Mahatma Gandhi was not born great. He became great through struggle and sacrifice. He proved you don't need weapons to fight injustice. You need courage, truth, and patience. Final moral. A poor man with truth is stronger than a powerful man with hatred. That is the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi.